how to view power and data connections. So in this example, once again, I'm going to use my search option to locate my Google device. So once again, just type in Google. Brings me right to the device once again. Use my modal button to go back to my connections view. And in the connections view, first thing that we want to see here is that we don't have a power connection to this particular input 1 on this device. So by bringing up that search view, it neatly brings up all of the other devices in rack A01. So let's really just quickly make a power connection to that A01. So we've got a couple of power supplies in this rack. We can expand out power supply A. We'll just connect that up to port B1. So now we have a power connection to B1, immediately making that connection for us very quickly and easily. Now we can navigate over to our topology view. The first thing it's going to show us is, by default, it shows us the power connections. And you'll notice that by this legend up at the top left-hand corner saying active energized. That's showing us our power connections. We can again expand those levels out so we can see where that power supply A is getting its feed from. So it's getting it from rack A1 PSA feed, and continue out as far again as we want to, just like it was in 403, where we can go through that entire power chain if we so desire. Now if we want to switch over to be able to see a network connection or a data connection, what this Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2 are connected to, we can go up to our filter option. And the filter option just allows us to go between power connections and data connections. So quickly flip over to data connections. Now I see all of what it's connected to. And just like we saw before, this is connected up to a couple of patch panels. And again, I can expand those levels out as far as I need to see that topology.